Hello, this is Scott Lamp with State Building Company, and welcome to the home of the Grubbe residence in Allenton, Michigan, just south of K-Pac. Here we did a large remodel project to the existing home and added a master bedroom, bathroom addition. As we enter the living room, we first come across the archway. It originally had a large drop-down header that we raised into the existing rafter system with the proper headers to open it up to the whole room. We also installed a new firebox, including the stone surround that turned out wonderful. The kitchen was a complete remodel, including new granite tops, drywall, painting, and entry system into the room, and also Lifeproof flooring throughout. As we enter the family room, we open this up to a 12-foot archway that gives that complete openness feel. Nice, isn't it? Still in the existing home. Moving from the kitchen through the existing hallway, new drywall, paint, and trim leaving the existing doors. This door right here was the last room of the existing house. That was a bedroom that we did convert into the upstairs laundry room. Now, once we pass through this archway, you're entering the new master bedroom suite. Nice interior doors, polar seal windows, polar seal patio doors, Lifeproof flooring into the master bathroom. Nice ceramic tile, granite tops, new countertop, Flexstone showers. A drywall with painting trim turned out fabulous. Great paint job and excellent drywall work. Looks really good. Now that we're out of the bathroom, we're walking into the master bedroom suite. Here's where you see the new polar seal slider windows, Lifeproof floor, deluxe trim, polar seal patio door. All right, let's go outside for the exterior of the addition. We start with a beautiful stone finish. Around this side, the homeowners had saved the existing brick for many decades. You can see on the downspout where the old was and where we tied the new in. Turned out really good. In a couple of years, it will all be color matched. Here you can see the exterior of the polar seal windows. All new polar seal windows on the front. The exterior of the new entry system. And in the garage, we have fixed light windows also manufactured by Polar Seal. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our complete home transformation. After watching this video, I hope it will help you keep us in mind for your next home remodel project. Thank you.